Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to us with overheat. It was like doing overheating, and when I test the machine I also find out there is like leak from the steam valve here, and also from the group head, and pressure gauge was broken. Trying to find the old one that I replaced. Yeah, here's the old pressure gauge. You see how it's not on a zero, so that wasn't accurate reading. And the overheat was related to this pressure stat. It's here, this one. And this is all the gaskets and side glass replaced. And also there was something while when I opened them a group head and I was like replacing these gaskets, I found out this sleeve, group head sleeve, broken from here. I don't know how to show it to show that. Yeah, this side here is broken. This way you might see it. Yeah, it's not even. And I took it off to replace that gasket, but that was like shaved long time ago, so I replaced it with a new one. All the gaskets and o-rings and all the moving parts get lubricated, so the machine runs perfect, and when it reaches like one or a little bit less, it stops the pressure stab, stop it from working. If that's right, the machine comes without the portafilter, so I align it with another portafilter, but when the customer put his own, it's gonna be aligned with the same exact one. So let's test the steamer. That works great, and the machine functioning good. None of that issues exist anymore. Thank you for watching.